guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva Cooking. Today I am super excited because I am collabing with a whole bunch of very talented YouTube ladies here, YouTube creators, and we are bringing you our holiday grocery haul as well as our holiday traditions. So here is my grocery haul. So here is what $420 will get you. There were also 3 cases of Diet Coke and I think 2 full cases of Diet Tonic. So I would like to mention also that this collab is hosted by Dickinson Homestead, Southern Farm and Kitchen, Tyler Elmore, and Southern Mama Drama. So make sure you check out all of their links down below, which will be in my description box as well as the playlist. So let's go through it. So first we got some chicken. It was on sale, chicken breast and chicken thighs. This came from Zehrs. And this came up to about $50. And then the rest of the groceries came from Real Canadian Superstore. Because we spent over $250 at the Superstore, we got a free turkey. So that will be for Christmas. We got 2 flats of eggs, some lettuce, the kale kit, salad kit, zucchini. Then I picked this up because I want to make stir fry and I just needed a bit more veggies, the other veggies that I picked up, and this had a good mix of broccoli, Brussels sprouts, red cabbage, and kale. Some peppers, some bok choy for stir fry and for my ramen soup that I will be making. Then they had the beef on sale and will most likely split one into roasts and ground up one for ground beef. Then I picked up a shrimp ring. I like eating this stuff and it was on sale as well. And I picked up the rainbow tortellini because I'm planning on making some tortellini soup. And then cheese was again on sale, and I forgot to mention that this grocery haul is for 2 weeks, and this will get me right up about to the 18th. I'm recording this, you're watching this 2 days before the 18th, but this will get me right into the 18th, and then I'm gonna just go and pick up the rest of the stuff that I'll still need for the holidays, especially some of the more fresher stuff that I'll need. So anyway, so the cheese was on sale, so I picked up 2 things of marble, 2 things of pizza mozzarella for some homemade pizza, and then just some medium cheddar, feta, some cream for the soups and for baking, the limes, 2 things of onions, and then I have cherry tomatoes and regular tomatoes. I love eating tomatoes. 2 things of cauliflower, and then yogurt. This yogurt doesn't expire till January 10th, so this will get us through the month. And there's more here. I have plain yogurt that I got last week, so this is more for the kids. And then I like these having as a treat, especially if I'm craving ice cream. It's a little bit better. And then I got some kefir. I usually buy this stuff at Costco, but I didn't want to go to Costco this time, so I just needed to top up. I drink this almost every morning. And then some rye bread for the kids, some sausage buns for the kids because they're going to be having some sausages. And then we love these Sprouted Power bagels. They're significantly smaller than a regular bagel, and they're about half the carbs than a regular bagel, so that they're a little bit better for you. Picked up 2 different apples, Red Delicious and Royal Gala. Butter, this is one thing that I price matched at Real Canadian. They had it on sale for $4.99, but Walmart had it on sale for $2.99. So I was able to price match that. Some plain noodles for the ramen soup, and I picked up the diced tomatoes with Italian spices for a slow cooker meal that I will be making with chicken. Some snow peas, cucumbers, and baby spinach. Some russet potatoes. Over there I've got the fabric softener. I use fabric softener only on towels and curtains if I'm washing them. I needed something stronger for my sink, so I picked up Comet, and then I also picked this up, just something to put over the 2 front door area rugs before I vacuum them, just to freshen them up a little bit. Some soy sauce. I picked up a treat, candy cane ice cream. This stuff is so good. Bananas and blueberries and toilet paper. Here are a few more items that I picked up for the the Christmas morning breakfast. I got 2 packages of bacon, 2 things of cheese. I got medium cheddar and marble, mini croissants, and I got some hash browns, cream cheese, hot chocolates. I got regular hot chocolate and then a caramel hot chocolate. This is one of my favorite coffees, the Holiday Blend from Starbucks. And then my husband likes the Gray Canadian, which is supposed to be like Tim Hortons, but it's okay. Not my favorite, but I do love this one. And there will be a recipe on going out on Friday to see what I'm gonna be making for my breakfast morning. Well, I hope you enjoyed my grocery haul. And as far as the traditions go, typically on Christmas Eve we go to my mom's, and on Christmas Day we go to my husband's mom's. But this year we are down to only 5 people, so unfortunately there won't be any large family gatherings, so I will be hosting all of it just for 4 of us. And on Christmas Eve I will be making a meat and potato dish, which I actually shared a recipe last week on this, so you can check it out. I will link it in the description box. Then on Sunday, I always want to say Sunday for Christmas Day. On Christmas Day, we will be serving turkey and a side dish that I also shared over on Thanksgiving traditions, which we absolutely love to go with turkey. But one of the traditions that I have created just for 4 of us, because of us going to my parents and my husband's parents, I have always done Christmas morning, and I will be sharing all those recipes on Friday, what I will be creating this year for our Christmas morning. And that little Christmas morning tradition I have done ever since my kids were born, and just so that way we have something special to celebrate, just us together before we go and meet up with the rest of the family. So I would like to thank you for stopping by my channel. And if you're brand new, first time stopping by, I would love it if you considered subscribing, pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any future uploads. And I would like to thank all the hostesses for hosting this collab. And don't forget to check their channels out, as well as the playlist, which will all be linked down below. So until next time, hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.